Alright guys, remember that our headbands are being washed today, so the principal allow us to wear our swimsuits during today's gym class.
Alright Unikitty, at least we have an outfit for gym. Anyways, let's get our swimsuits and put them on.
Okay, we got our swimsuits on. Now to head off to school.
When the three arrived to the school building, another day of school. Oh, hey you three. So it looked like you guys are wearing your swimsuits today, right?
Yep. These will be our replacement gym outfits for today's gym class.
Okay kids, let's get to work. Good morning class, welcome to gym. And it looked like that Unikitty, Puppycorn, and Lil'Petey got their replacement outfits, right?
Of course, teacher.
Okay, everyone, let's start warming up. Okay, 10 jumping jacks, go! Toad, why are you not doing jumping jacks? Oh, sorry teacher, I just can't stop laughing at Unikitty, Puppycorn, and Lil'Petey in their swimsuits. Toad, seriously, that's not funny. That's their replacement outfits because their headbands are being washed today. How do you know that? Well, I got a call from Bowser. Oh, but I can't stop laughing!
Toad, stop laughing right now. Also, do your jumping jacks like everyone is, along with push-ups.
I do agreed with them.
That's right, Toad. If you continue to laugh at them and not do your jumping jacks and push-ups, you'll be in big trouble. Okay, that does it. I have enough. You'll have a lunch detention for today. Now do your jumping jacks and push-ups. Okay. And stop your baby cry.
Serves him right. Now let's continue our push-ups and have some fun at gym.